What's up, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Uptakes. This is an emergency recording. Bakit? Breaking news!
What?
VJ Pre commits to the UP Fighting Maroons.
I don't know if you
So,
remember this, pero nung mabuting usapan pa yung pangalan ng podcast natin.
may
Yeah,
foreshadowing
may
na.
foreshadowing tayo eh. Sabi ko nun,
Okay, insert
magandang
insert
gabi mga
clip.
pre.
Insert clip.
Magandang gabi mga pre. Magandang gabi mga pre. Magandang gabi. 2 out of 2 na foreshadowing nangyari.
Andang gabi. Mga pre.
Mga pre. Hello sa lahat ng UAAP fans out there, whether you're happy with what happened or you're bashing us. Hello, at lalo na sa UP community na also whether you're supportive of what happened or bashing our own and criticizing our own. Hello sa inyo. You're in
Hello
for
sa ating lahat.
ride sa episode na ito.
Sige, just a brief backgrounder lang no sa mga pangyayari. So last Wednesday, VJ Pre announced his departure from the FEU Tamaraw. So umalis muna, crucial yung sequence of events no. Umalis
Yeah.
muna si VJ Pre. There were reports na may schools nang kumausap sa kanya. However, with respect to UP, it's been reported kasi na hindi pumasok yung UP sa picture no until Pre has finally announced his departure from FEU. So technically, hindi natin siya ni-recruit out of FEU. We recruited him noong,
When he is already
Free
a free
agent na siya.
agent.
yes, no free agent na siya.
So
So yun.
Miles, alam mo yan, Cam, sa pag sa pagpupurba ng kaso, timeline is very important, hindi ba? Because it spells difference between kumbaga guilt and
Acquittal.
innocence, tama?
Oh, correct. But
Okay,
very,
so isa lang point of contention kasi sinasabi that the UP admin has released a statement that it will not recruit or there are no efforts to recruit VJ Pre. So, ano ko
While
lang yan kumbaga i-juxtapose ko lang doon sa sinabi mo about the timeline na unang nagsabi na hindi na magtutuloy si VJ sa FEU tsaka pumasok yung UP doon sa Eksena. So, ano bang pagtingin nyo doon? Doon sa dalawang yon na nagsabi yung UP na okay, hindi kami talaga ever re-recruitin si VJ and na sumali kami doon sa we included ourselves in the fray nung naging free agent na siya.
well, Sheffy, the devil is in the details kasi, you know, di naman sinabi na we will not recruit VJ ever. Ang sinabi, we will not recruit VJ while still in FEU. Diba? So, ibig sabihin,
Yeah. That statement from UP was
the-
given kasi wala pang statement si VJ na aalis siya.
Oo.
Tama ba ako?
Tama.
wala pa.
Tama.
Tama.
I mean, kailangan mo na mag-decide ng bata na aalis siya bago mag-decide kung mag-decide ang UP kung gusto ba niyang i-recruit si VJ. 'Di ba? So,
Kasi ano yan nakita ko na wina-weaponize do. Akala naman nila na kaya nila ang weaponize yung statement na yun. It's true, may binitawang statement ang UP na ganun. But remember, reading comprehension 101 ito, no?
Na meron naman sa UPCAT,
Yung
di
buong
ba?
article kasi, ang problema kasi, baka ang binasa lang nila yung excerpt na nakalagay sa headline, no? Totoo
oo.
yun Totoo yung sinabi ni Jamo na ang sinabi talaga na UP dyan, hindi namin re-recruitin si VJ Pre while he's still with FEU.
Oo.
Nire-respeto namin yung decision niya to stay with FEU.
Oo.
Yung decision na yun, nagbago. So, may change of circumstances which now allowed UP to come in and recruit him. Yun yung nangyari doon.
Tama. Yan.
So, anong masasabi niyo doon sa dami yung reactions eh. I-process natin lahat yan. So, eto medyo sanay na tayo. University of Potion. Last year na narinig natin ito kay Ray Remogat, no? So, what's new? Pero University of Poachers na naman daw. Except this time, I think mas marami na. Nadagdagan yung bandwagon ng mga haters. Ano masasabi niyo ron?
Do you think we give a fuck?
Why we're not allowed to
It
say that?
doesn't
Ako lang,
matter!
ako lang talaga parang hindi ka aalis sa isang lugar na satisfied ka. Sa bahay mo, sa relasyon, sa trabaho mo. 'Di ba? I mean,
Hmm.
for example, in a career or corporate setup, hindi ka naman lilipat kung hindi may better package. Hindi ka naman lilipat kung kung satisfied ka. Pwedeng satisfied ka pero may mas magandang option. Pwede rin namang hindi ka satisfied. And ako, malinaw sa akin na ang pagtingin ng mga student athletes na ito ay work or career nila ang pagbabasketball. Lalo na kung gusto nilang mag-pro after college. Or even, hindi nga after college eh. Diba? I mean, Francis Lopez got recruited by Japan.
Aha.
Still in UP while he's still in college. So,
Doon nga siya kanina.
tingin ba natin
Sa UP
hindi
din
ang
naman.
pagtingin ng mga estudyanteng to, ng mga athletes na to ay career yung pagbabasketball? Kung doon pa lang natin titingnan na for them it's a career, then whatever decision that you're going to make, it's for them to further their career to get an advantage. Tama ba?
Tama.
Kasi yung kaya ka naglalaro ng varsity ng college basketball is because ito yung audition mo to get into the pros. So, it's only natural na kung may chance ka na mag-pro basketball, bakit di ka magpo-pro basketball? Kaming kanya-kanya tayo ng pangarap eh. There are some players we've known na who may have been good enough to play pro basketball pero di nila pinili yun. Choice nila yun. But for a lot of people, especially in this basketball crazed country, ang dami talagang gusto mag-basketball. So who are we to judge them for their choices, di ba? Kung sa Amerika, ginagawa rin naman yan, pero hindi naman nila sinasabihan yung mga tao na nag 1 year lang nasa college doon na hindi ka nagstay in school. 'Di ba? Hindi naman ganun yung narrative eh. Sobrang lakas na double standards yan na you're watching
Tsaka
people
napaka-selfish ng ano,
pa.
nung notion na yan na magstay ka dito para lang ano, para lang dun sa magstay ka lang dun sa path na nasa school ka lang. You know, 'di ba? I mean,
Or in a particular
oh,
school?
oo. Napaka-selfish no. Sa gusto nung bata na ano, na mag-compete for ano, for whatever reason he may have, mag-compete para
Correct.
sa more exposure, for better yung chances niya na ma-discover, 'di ba?
Oh,
Mhm.
The kid has reason, so hayaan natin yung bata.
Ako may tanong ako sa inyo. Your thoughts on poaching vis-a-vis parity?
Wala kang pakialam sa parity. Nobody gives a fuck about parity. It's college
So
ball.
sa mga viewers natin, ano ba muna ang konsepto ng parity?
kasi maraming ano eh. Ito yung thing eh. A lot of people, especially those who are on the losing side of recruitment, sinasabi nila wala ng parity yung liga. Ang pinopertain nila is parity ng results, no? Yung parity
Aha.
nung sino yung malakas every year, sino yung nagko-content every year. Pero if you look historically no in other leagues, for example sa NBA, yung ilan doon sa mga pinaka-interesting seasons na NBA, wala namang parity sa liga eh. Nung nagcha-champion si Jordan, tingin ba nila may parity? Syempre
Noong
wala.
90s?
Jordan nga yung nagcha-champion eh.
Oo.
Yung Lakers and Celtics, yung Magic and Bird na era, wala namang parity kasi dalawang teams lang ang naglalaban nun, di ba? Pero marami nanonood ng NBA. Whereas nung 70s, na totoong merong parity ang NBA, halos malugi na NBA noon. It was actually the rivalry of Magic and Bird that saved them from bankruptcy, you know. So it's really not true. May evidence to say na hindi naman parity yung mahalaga, or yung definition nila ng parity, mali yun eh. Hindi yun ang parity na dapat hinahanap mo sa isang league. Ang
Ah,
parity na dapat hinahanap mo, parity in effort. Dapat lahat ng teams nagtatry to compete. Yun yung wala sa PBA, kaya nababash yung PBA.
oh,
Saka why does it, if it's a competition, why does it matter that there's parity?
tingin ko yung mga sentiment on parity na yan. Hindi sa parity eh. Ano eh, more of merong merong mga fans na nagmo-monopolize ng excellence.
Oo.
'Di ba? They think that
Mm.
their school has all the right to to get these blue chip recruits.
Totoo.
Pero ngayong merong
Sa kompetensya.
kakompetensya in the form of UP na suddenly rose to to relevance, 'di ba? Medyo
Yun ang matanda.
na hurt yung ego nila, 'di ba? Well, to that I say I don't give a fuck, man.
Fuck that shit. Kasi kung mapapansin mo, they're bringing up yun tama yung sinabi
Oo.
mo, Jam. Binibring up nila yung winning tradition. Alam mo na
Yeah.
kung ano ibig sabihin nun. Ang subliminal messaging dun, kami yung may winning tradition.
Kami
Kami
lang
lang
yung
Ba't
may
hindi sa amin
karapatan.
napupunta?
Kami lang yung may karapatan na manalo.
Totoo.
Oo.
Saka dapat lahat ng blue chip recruits, kami unang option.
Yun pa.
Saan mo gusto mo pumunta si Pre? Adamson?
UE?
Real talk lang. Real talk lang.
Real talk lang, 'di ba?
Oo.
Saan
Tsaka ako, di ba,
saang
parang-
program sa tingin mo magfo-flourish yung yung karera ni VJ? 'Di ba?
Correct.
Will he flourish in a program like sabihin natin UE or Adamson
Or worse in the NCAA.
or oo nga. Yeah,
Oo.
'di ba? Real talk.
Hindi, tsaka, kung ganun lang pala, di kunwari, dapat sa palarong pambansa, galit din tayo kasi may mga lumilipat from the provinces to NCR.
Totoo.
True.
Di ba na mga probinsyano, pero ire-recruit ng NCR. Mas magandang training, mas may support, mas may budget. So, NCR lagi nag-champion sa palarong pambansa.
Totoo.
Di naman natin dinedeny na may pera tayo. Pero
Oo naman.
money
Hindi naman
talks.
porket UP
Come
dapat
on.
hilahod at mahirap.
Exactly. May
Exactly.
may economic aspect naman talaga ang sports eh.
Oo.
Hindi
So-
natin yun.
So, ano masasabi niyo sa mga nagsasabi na whether galing sa atin, sa UP community, or sa ibang school na, it's not all about winning. There should be ethics, or there should be parang yun nga, it's parang grabe naman yung winning mentality na at all cost. Sa ano tingin?
Una sa lahat, ano muna yung meaning nila ng at all cost, 'di ba? Kasi may binasag ba tayo na any rules of Hindi naman legal naman, within the rules naman yung ginawa natin. And also ethically speaking, again, going back to the facts, umalis yung tao sa school niya. That's where
Yeah.
we came in. So there's nothing wrong with that.
It's a sequence of events eh. I'm hearing some rumors. So,
It was a
kasalanan
it was
ba
a
talaga
tough
natin?
thing.
'Di ba?
It was tough
Tough
daw. It was
loss.
tough. Ay, sorry, it was tough pala. It was tough. Hindi, it was tough. It was tough.
Tough loss, man.
It was a tough loss.
It's a tough loss.
Wala tayong magagawa ron.
Wala tayong
We win
magagawa.
some.
Ako,
Fucking
yun,
messed
dun
up,
sa ano
man.
na it's not all about winning. Di sana nag-fellowship na lang pala tayo. Friendly game na lang pala sana. And di ba, I mean,
Exhibition
I
match.
mean, it's not, I mean, hindi ko nagigets why it's frowned upon when you give better opportunities for a player because you come from a place of having the means to
Mhm.
provide the needs of a player, provide better education, yung mga masupport yung mga kailangan niya, ni-recruit mo, bakit evil ka? Yun ang hindi ko naiintindihan eh.
Mhm.
Totoo.
I mean, nung paglipat, ano na, real talk. Nung lumipat naman si Luis Pablo Salazar, wala namang nagrevolusyon.
Diba?
May
Yeah.
nagrevolusyon ba sa UP na, ba't nyo kinuha? Ano, poacher kayo, Lasal? Wala naman.
Nung nag-decommit si Bahay, same thing.
Oo. P-
Wala
Diba?
silang narinig from us.
At the most silent,
Totoo.
Oo.
NR, diba?
Totoo.
So, hindi ko gets.
If anything among the fan bases, at the risk of being accused of bias, no, pero sa atin never tayo yung UP side, hindi mo narinig na nagreklamo pag merong umaalis. Wala ka marinig na
Yeah.
reklamo. We always for players' rights.
Well
Diba?
wishes lahat sa atin eh.
Sinong
Oo.
lumipat na NCAA? Cyril?
Chris Hubilla.
At least hindi naman naglaro si Chris
Oo.
sa atin eh.
Bismarck.
Yung isa pa, si
Marklina,
Bismarck.
Mark Lina. Diba, we
RC
always say
Kalimag.
thank you for your UP fight, forever a fighting maroon.
totoo.
Yeah.
So, hindi ko alam. Bakit? Tapos, ito na naman, ang walang kamatayang grassroots. Wala kayong grassroots development. Kaya poach lang kayo ng
Chill lang.
poach.
To that I say chill lang tayo. We're getting there. 'Di ba?
Correct.
Oo, ini-improve naman talaga yung grassroots program. Totoo.
Siguro kung may closest thing to grassroots natin yung Ricky Dandan basketball yung initiative
Yeah.
ng OASD. Yun.
Ako
Yung
nga, di ba
basketball
sabi ko, bakit? Lahat ba ng collegiate players nyo sa inyo nag-high school? Yes or no? Kung
Di
hindi,
ba?
ano pinagsasasabi nyo tungkol sa grassroots? Baka naman nagmamatter yung grassroots kapag blue chip recruit or kapag star player.
Correct.
Wala ka namang narinig na grassroots na kinuha or lumipat sa ibang team na hindi ganun kasikat. Wala ka naman narinig na sinabi nilang wala kayong grassroots program.
Oo.
Di ba?
Tsaka,
So,
Oo.
yung grassroots, yung konsepto nyo ba ng grassroots ay dahil lang ay applicable lang sa mga star player at blue chip recruits? Yun ang tanong ko sa kanila eh.
Adamson nga nakinabang sa sa kay Ray Allen Torres tsaka kay Kobe
Demisana.
Demisana eh. O, 'di ba? They're both in Adamson.
Totoo.
Grassroots natin 'yun.
Totoo.
'Di ba?
Wala naman narinig ang Ateneo na hate sa atin nung lumipat si Kobe.
Totoo.
Good luck.
Alam mo, construct lang yan eh. Kung tutuusin kailan ba naging importante yung buwakan na ng grassroots program na yan Ito lang real talk. I mean, we're trying to improve. Una-una sa lahat, ang daming layers niyan Ang daming layers niyan. There's the layer na nagtatry yung UP improve. There's the layer na kung alam lang ng mga tao, again, we have an entire episode on that. We had one just recently. Pero ang hirap pag-setup ng grassroots program sa UPIS because of the way the UPIS is set up. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang schools.
Yeah.
Okay, may limited slots for the varsity. So, that our viewers can watch the episode on that, so I'm not gonna explain that anymore, no? Ang gusto ko lang ipunto, bakit ba kasi inassign na ng napakataas na value yung buwakan ng grassroots program yan?
Ewan ko
Samantalang
kung metrics nila.
Di ba? For some reason, ang taas bigla ng value niya for people. Yun ang ibang mga championship teams naman ng UAAP recently, hindi naman nanggaling sa grassroots program nila yung mga yun eh. Especially before. Nung hindi pa nauso yung nananalo yung FEU na hindi sila nagko-compete sa there was a time in the early 2000s na walang FEU Diliman sa UAAP Juniors. So they weren't competing sa juniors division. So all of their players in college are
Galing sa
almost
iba.
galing sa iba, galing either sa ibang UAP juniors, ibang NCAA juniors, or sa province, ganun. So wala naman nagsabi na, oh, bakit yung mga player nyo, si Arwin Santos, di naman sa inyo nag-high school yan. Pero, di ba, poacher
Proud na
kayo,
proud sila.
proud na proud pa sila, di ba? So,
Saka
kailan ba
ak-
naging kailan ba na-assign na napakataas na value yung baka ng inang ano na yan?
oh,
Palusot yan eh. Sa totoo lang, hindi na ako mag-mince ng words. This is BS, palusot.
True.
Naghahanap na sila ng pwedeng iba to, ah,
scapegoat.
assigning something wrong, totoo,
Yeah.
para lang ma-crush yung recruitment natin.
And once again, kasi nga meron silang mentality ng pagmomonopolize ng excellence pagdating dito sa sa sports, sa basketball in particular, na sila lang dapat nananalo, hindi kasama UP kasi 0-14 dark years whatever.
Tsaka no 0-14, wala naman silang narinig na parity-parity sa atin.
Oh,
Totoo. Tsaka
di ba?
0-14 nga, inaasar rin nila tayo eh. Ang jokes naman nila sa atin na tayo yung easy win, di ba? So, either
Oo.
way, wala naman dyan eh. Whether
Inaasar ko nga
mananalo or
tayo eh.
matatalo ka. Totoo. Inaasar rin naman tayo nun eh.
Di,
Inaasar nga
tsaka,
natin mga sarili natin. 0
correct.
di ba?
Tsaka
Tangina.
yung 'di ba, yung grassroots, as if naman nagiging second tier yung athlete kung di siya doon nag-high school sa pinag doon sa kung saan siya nagpe-play sa collegiate right now, number one. Tapos, wala naman kayong sinasabing grassroots kapag ang ni-recruit, kunwari, galing probinsya. Yung mga galing ng CESAFI. May
Oh
narinig ba
my.
kayo na tumalak ng, wala kayong grassroots pag yung recruit galing CESAFI? Wala naman.
Totoo. Na para sasabihin nila, grabe, nawawala yung mga talented players sa province namin na pupunta sa inyo. Wala ka naririnig sa kanilang ganun.
Correct.
Eh,
Alright. So, but another thing, nag-notes kasi ko, ang isa daw kasi nakakasad, ito pa, kasi parang, if it were VJ, he would have stayed. It was the parents daw.
Oh,
okay.
sige Miles.
Eto, fair enough. That's true. Ako, I agree. My position was, and this is a was, this is not an is. My position was, when he was still at FEU, wag siya umalis. That was my position
Mm.
before. Kasi follow your heart.
Hmm.
That's where VJ wanted to stay. So, people should respect that. So, that was the condition then. Kaya lang nag-iba, no? He left. Not because of anything we did.
Mhm.
He left.
May,
Ngayon, kung labagsak looban niya na umalis, I feel bad. I really am. I hope na hindi siya napilitang umalis, hindi siya pinressure into to going out, no, because that would make me feel bad. The other side of that is nangyari na eh. Nangyari na yung nangyari. It is what it is. So someone, a good player is out of school.
Hmm.
So with that, uh, nung nire-recruit na natin siya, we were not recruiting him against, kumbaga, the other choice is no longer staying in the place
Oo.
where his heart was.
So, it's
So,
not
Mhm.
out of FEU.
it's not, yun, exactly. The key here is, hindi natin siya na-recruit out of FEU.
Yeah.
Yun ang nuance doon.
Sa akin nga, not to be heartless about this, ha. Pero, we have nothing to do with their dynamics as a family.
Mhm.
We have no hand on that. We have no influence on that. Yun. Di ba parang,
I mean, ang unang ang kausap, ang sabi-sabi, unang ang kausap ng pamilya hindi naman tayo,
So,
'di ba?
ibang school.
Ibang school
Oo.
yung dapat pupuntahan niya.
ano
We're
yun
happy.
tipong nilabas yun. Nilabas yun na hindi tayo yung unang kinausap.
Mm. Wala nga tayo sa picture before eh.
Totoo.
'Di ba? Ang next ko dyan, so nung wala na siya sa FEU, di ba sinasabi,
Mm.
basta kinuha nyo pa rin, ganyan, ni-recruit nyo pa rin, ganyan, whatever. Nung free agent na siya, ano pala dapat ang ginawa ng UP? Hinayaan na lang siya. Knowing
May
his
talento
talent,
yung
knowing
bata.
his skill,
May talento yung bata.
ano palang dapat ginawa, hinayaan natin? Kasi parang yun yung gustong sabihin ng ibang mga
Oo.
members din ng UP community tsaka na ibang mga tao. Ano palang dapat gusto nating gawin?
Andyan na yan eh.
Kesa naman mapunta sa, ano yun, you know.
Diba? This is a competitive, sports is a competitive world.
Recruitment
So,
is also a competitive world.
Saka
exactly.
nung free agent siya, kinuha natin, nag-react. Bakit? Anong susunod kong tanong? Liability ba siya sa atin? Will he be a liability?
Definitely not.
You will be the face of UP
Diba? So, anong
basketball.
problema? Diba? Anong problema? If
Come
he's not
season
going to be a
89.
liability, if he was recruited when he was already a free agent, when the kid can add more to the talented pool
Mhm.
and secure us of a strong team come 89.
Yeah.
Why the hate? Why question it? Hindi ko naiintindihan kung saan sila nanggagaling.
Again. Yun talaga.
And
Yun
this
yung
applies
punot-dulo
to
dun.
and this especially applies to members of the UP community. Na meron pa mga statement na ang hirap ipagtanggol ng management.
Huh?
Siyempre sabi kailangan mo ipagtanggol. Ba't ka nagpapagod sa isang bagay na hindi mo naman dapat gawin?
Wala naman tayong bearing sa decision nila eh.
Oo.
It is what it
Lagi
is.
ko nga sinasabi yun na parang tingin nyo ba yung mga yung mga ganun, kinoconsider nila.
Ang importante naman natin masyado, di ba?
Sino ba tayo, di ba? We're just fans of the game. Come on.
So is it safe to say that we in optics actually welcome this development, and we welcome VJ Pre to the UP men's basketball team. Welcome to the UP community, and we're excited for your UP fight.
Oo naman, welcome na welcome.
Basta gustong
Malaw
lumipat sa
po.
UP, basta gusto niyang mag-aral sa UP at mag-compete para sa UP community, go, welcome kayo dito. At kayang
maintain ang academic requirements.
Oo.
Mukhang masipag naman si Pre.
Tanggapin namin kayo with open arms. Parang si Oble.
Totoo. Kaya naka-open yung arms si Oble kasi ganun yung pagtanggap natin.
Oo.
Very inclusive tayo dito. Basta gusto mo maglaro for UP, welcome.
Kung gusto mo lumipat, you're free to go.
Diba?
And then, kung gusto mo rin umalis, you're free to go. Walang pinipigilan sa UP. Totoo.
Diba? Eto ha, ilan yung nawala sa atin lately? Aldos, Francis. Sa women's basketball team, si Favor. Favor's gonna play in the US.
Denzel.
My gosh, Denzel. Wala namang, may nakita ba kayong hate na, oh my gosh, so unloyal, iniwan kami. Parang, we always say go. If UP was your springboard, if UP was your platform to achieve these greater heights and better opportunities, then we're glad that UP has served that purpose for you.
Totoo. Si Cyril Gonzalez, perfect example.
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon, lately sa PhilOil, he played a splendid game in PhilOil, no? For Mapua. Siya yung top scorer, 24 points. happy tayo for him.
Mhm.
Although it's just sad na hindi siya nanalo ng UAAP Championship when he was with us. Pero at the same time, nagamit niya yung UP experience niya. I'd like to
Yeah.
believe. Kaya
And now,
ngayon,
di ba
nakita niya
sinasabi ng
output.
mga sports
No?
articles na parang Cyril will pave way, parang will lead Mapua into their parang new dominance in the NCAA.
Ilang years pa ba si Cyril?
Baka 2.
2 years pa.
Yeah, 2. Yeah,
Yan.
tagal pa.
So wala naman kayong
Pwede.
nabasa sa comment section na, walang kwenta yan. Kasi
Totoo.
nagpa-recruit sa ibang school.
Franchise
Wala naman.
player yan sa pag-alis ni Escamis.
Gamis. Kanya na yan.
Oo.
Team niya na yan. It's gonna be wild.
It's gonna be wild.
Ang ano niya ngayon. Very impressive yung ball handling niya ngayon. So, yun nga. Wala tayong lahat ng nagpapaalam sa atin. They're always free to go, and we're really happy na doon sa lilipatan nila, they get even better, no? Ma-highlight yung skills nila. We're happy for them. Kung mag-champion sila, even better, di ba?
And this is a personal anecdote that whenever we see Cyril in other games, we still say hi, bumabati
Oo, tama.
pa rin si Bagets, tapos we always say, Cyril, we're cheering for you, we're gonna try to watch your games, so we cheer them on, diba? So, Jamo, any parting words about this entire hindi matapos yung araw?
Okay. No, tawag dito, yung mga bago natin ngayon for 89 pa yun, no?
Oo.
Wala pa tayong bagong news for wala bang mga pasabog for 88? Parang
natin.
parang may naamoy na ako.
Parang hindi pa tapos, no?
Incoming. So, abang-abang na lang tayo sa in the coming days. Or baka mamaya meron na, hindi natin alam. So, ayun.
Eto, anong thoughts niya sa quick thoughts lang. Anong thoughts niya sa sa pagpasok ni VJ Pre for season 89? Any repercussion sa lineup? Kasi for me, maganda siyang addition, especially because kailangan natin ma-shore up yung bigs natin, no? VJ Pre will add to us part of what we lost nung umalis si Francis Lopez, no? And that is in a mismatch. And Aldous Torculas. Magkakaroon na naman tayo ng panibagong mismatch player at the 4 position. In keeping with the tradition, no, going back all the way kina Carl Tamayo, kina Zave Lucero, and even somehow, no, kahit nung nandun pa sina Kobe Paras or Javi, no, Javi Gomez de Leaño. So I'm really happy na magkakaroon tayo ng ganitong klaseng player, especially because he will be surrounded by capable guards na sina Payosing, sina Poyos, yan, sila Ogana. So, I'm really excited for the future of the UP Fighting Maroons.
Yeah. Also, kasi sabi mo lang, no, si Ogana, wala pa akong balita sa kanya.
Ayan ang misteryo pala, by the way.
Yun ang misteryo. I
Wala na
haven't
tayo
even heard of him playing, or haven't seen him in practices yet. So medyo this lack of Ogana news is kind of concerning for me.
Totoo.
Russell, wherever you are,
paramdam ka.
Pakigalaw ang baso.
Ako, how VJ played in FEU in his rookie year, you can see how promising he is. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin na iba pa rin yung juniors sa pagdating mo dun sa collegiate level talaga eh. Because, of course, the competition is tougher. There are more talented players that you're going up against with. So the way he performed in season 87, so promising. He was a powerhouse from the get-go. Nakita mo masipag yung bata. Ang bilib nga ako walang angas eh. Di ba may
Totoo.
mga rookie kasi na dahil star rookie, gigel, may angas. Parang wala akong napansin sa kanya in
Wala.
any game In any game. So I think he will be a great addition to his to his position. And I'm looking forward how he will gel with the team. Because talent and skill is one thing.
Sinong
But,
aabutan niya na
Noy,
Hindi, I mean kaposition niya.
nakaposisyon niya. Chico on his last playing year.
Okay. Sino pa?
Iniguez.
Miguel.
Ilan pa ba si Migs?
He has 4.
May 4 pero ilang taon na siya sa UP?
2.
2 years.
na.
2.
Oo.
He sat
Okay.
out 1 year because of injury, tama?
Hindi, residency lang.
A residency.
Saan ba siya galing?
Kasi galing siyang US, tama ba?
States.
Okay,
Ah.
okay.
Transfer
So
siya.
and he's 21.
Yeah, 21.
Okay.
So he has
4 years.
4 playing years.
Oo.
So Miguel, Chico, sino pa?
Yun na nga
7.
naman. 7.
7.
Yun naman palagi ano natin eh. The center
Wow.
position eh.
Yeah,
Si
totoo.
Mark, ano,
Oh yeah, this Mark.
Mark
Belmonte.
Belmonte.
How could we forget Mark? Of course si Mark. Siya yung number 1. Actually, siya yung number 1 sa lahat ng 4 natin eh. So,
tumangkad nga si Mark eh, no?
ito,
Nagsiset.
Oh,
tumangkad.
lumaki katawan, grabe.
Lumapad din.
Lumapad.
Totoo. Katakot. Galing. Excited ako dun. And excited din ako to see how Mark and eventually VJ will compete for minutes at the 4 spot. Or even at the 3, no? Kasi tingin ko kaya nila mag-transition to the 3 eh. Basta ma-develop lang properly.
So, for 89, we're pretty
Basta.
lakas natin.
Lakas natin.
Oo.
Kasi yung natin ng bigs nandyan pa.
Tapos
Tapos-
kukunin mo pang FSA si
Collins Okowe.
si Timothy.
Oh yeah. The
When I
big guy.
first saw him play live against sino ba? Quezon Huskers
Oo.
sa tune up. Walang makaporma sa kanya eh. Paano laki? Ang laki niya.
Saan siya naglalaro ngayon?
Hindi pa ata naglalaro ngayon.
Naka-line up lang siya. pero
Naka-line
hindi
up
pa
siya sa UP2 sa Pinoy Liga.
Hindi, pero wala siyang pinaglalaroan.
Wala.
Nakalista lang. Nakalista lang yung pangalan niya. Parang si Ogana.
Hmm.
Nakalista yung pangalan pero di pa naglalaro.
No, even in other leagues.
Oo, even in other leagues. Doon lang sa scrimmage against Quezon Huskers at saka sa mga ibang scrimmages nila naglaro.
Kung naglalaro yun sa Alliance, edi wala nang sinabi yung ano natin. Wala nang sinabi yung SPC kanina.
Hindi
Oo.
tayo na 55.
Oo, binutata niya lahat yun.
Tapos
Oo.
guards natin.
7-3 ba naman?
Ano, no? Guards natin for 89. Si Noy andun pa.
Oo.
Payosing.
Poyos.
Poyos. Because 89 wala na si Chang Chang, di ba?
Maaga. 89.
Oh yeah, Maga.
Kinakalimutan mo naman yung ano natin eh.
Bago pala yung bago.
Isa pa sa prized recruits.
Ako more than anything, I'm so excited because I think for the longest time now is when UP is reaping the fruits of the labor that we put in terms of especially in nowhere to go but up OASD in sourcing sponsors, funds, so we can, to put it bluntly, afford to recruit these players because wala naman siguro, we don't live in a bubble and we're not naive to say na, huh? Afford? Bakit talaga bang ginagastahan niyo yung mga players? Opo.
Oo.
Opo. Anyone who's saying that they don't is a liar.
Oo.
Oo.
Kaya nga nag-aalisan yung players sa isang school dyan eh.
Correct. Na internal yung problem pero sa UP pa rin kayo galit. Pinapabayaan nyo ng 9 months, tapos yung 3 months na UAAP, dun nyo lang inaasikaso at kukupin, tapos pag umalis sa inyo, galit kayo sa amin.
Baka it's not an us problem, no? Baka it's a you problem.
Totoo.
Baka ano rin po tayo, self-reflect, ganyan,
Oo.
assess po natin mga sarili natin. Hindi po puro pointing blame to others.
Also, I just wanna give Coach Bo his flowers.
Yes.
Grabe talaga.
Splendid
Ever
recruit.
since he came into the spotlight, ganda talaga ng eye for talent ni Coach Bo.
Saka
Totoo.
he's more, he shined more as a manager
Yes.
than a coach.
Tama.
Nandun talaga yung strength ni Coach Bo sa
Oo.
pagiging manager at recruiter.
And what a gentleman.
Yeah.
What a gentleman, hindi ba? Ito pa ulit-ulit naman tong mga recruitment issues 'di ba, na the hate, the bashing that we get. But the man that he is, he would always, sinabi niya na pumasok lang kami doon sa picture at nung free agent na siya kasi ni-respect naman namin kung na hindi siya aalis. So, pwede namang he could have said nothing. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Totoo.
And if you know Coach Bo, with my interactions with him, such a very yung tipong, ano bang term yung hinahanap ko, yung tipong level-headed na tao, hindi maangas, wala yung yabang ng administrador. Di ba may mga administrador na walang ganon. Wala siyang ganon.
Yeah.
Laging what's best for UP, what's best for the players, what's best for the program. Yun.
So, before we end the episode lang, eto naman, let's have a message for the UP fans, no? Because definitely ngayon pa lang nararamdaman natin ang daming pambabash. Expect na natin to, guys. Let's just embrace sa reputation era na tayo, kumbaga. In Swifty terms, nasa reputation era na tayo, no? So wala na tayong magagawa dyan eh. We're trying
Just enjoy the ride, guys.
Yeah.
My God, and it feels so good to win.
Grab your popcorn and enjoy.
Ako, UP is proving its identity once again, wherein we are a microcosm of the Philippine society, wherein a certain issue, a singular issue, you would hear all sides, you would get different reactions, different opinions, and I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Because we know that we don't bandwagon, we don't, we always appreciate opposing views. But at the end of it all, once the lights are on, once the benches and the seats in the arena are warm, and the players have come out in the court, then I am sure that we are still going to be the loudest and proudest to cheer for our beloved alma mater. So,
yes. Definitely lots of things to be excited about. So, meron pa ba tayong saloobin na gustong i-air out?
I'm good. I think I just want to congratulate also the OASD the Office of the Athletic and Sports Development, headed by Coach Bo. Nowhere to go but up. The titas and titas of Fighting Maroons. Um, Shout out to Tita Midge. Gusto ko lang sabihin to, shout out to Tita Midge who organized the opening ceremonies, the fantastic and unparalleled opening ceremonies of season 87 with Eraserheads and with how quality the production is. At sila din yung nag-close ng season 87. I think last Tuesday. Last Tuesday. Congratulations to the UP Street Dance Club. They're
Yeah.
the champions ng street dance ng UAAP. And to the entire UP community for hosting UAAP season 87. Truly, we're stronger, better together. I just don't know how UST will top that that opening program.
Pressure.
Let's see.
Yes, we're always hoping for improvement every year, no. So we'd like to see na ano no na more improvements as time goes by. It benefits everyone in the league, no, including us. If every year we try to top the last one, no. So
Mm.
congrats to UP and good luck UST. We're hoping for the best for your hosting
Yes.
of
Go Tigers.
next. Yes. And
Nga
that
pala,
ends. Oh
happy
yeah.
birthday, Sean Alter.
Oh yeah.
Happy
Birthday niya
birthday,
ng 22.
Sean.
Yan.
Tallest Alter.
Shout out, Mr. Sean Alter. Galingan mo sa upcoming season. And then, upcoming games, meron bukas. So, UP fight.
UP fight.
UP fight.
Woo. Yan.
Yan.